minute, and suddenly an hour is gone. A very good evening to dear distinguished guests and my dear stage crafters. This is it what happened to me when I first started using social media. At first, it felt amazing. Every like was like a little star. Every friend request was like a new door opening. And every comment made me feel special. I thought social media was the best thing ever. I could talk to friends anytime, share pictures, and even follow the people I admired. It felt like I had the whole world in my hands. But slowly, things began to change. At first, it was only a few minutes, but later, it became hours. I would tell myself just 5 more minutes, but those 5 minutes would grow into 50. Social media was pulling me like a magnet that I could not escape. So, I decided to take all electronics away just for one day to test myself. But that didn't work out. I was suffering, and the biggest problem was comparison. When I saw my friends out there posting pictures of parties, trips, that made me unhappy about my own life. Another problem was how much time I lost. Social media became like a black hole that swallowed my hours. I could sit down to do my homework, but then a single notification would distract me. Suddenly, I would be scrolling and watching videos, forgetting everything else. At the same time, I must admit, social media isn't completely bad. It has many good sides. For example, I learned news from all around the world and even stayed connected with relatives who live far away, and also it made me get more new skills by watching videos. Social media gave me wings to fly across the oceans without me leaving home. Truly, it's like fire. It can cook your food or even burn your house. It all depends on how we control it. But then, one day, I realized and looked at myself and thought I could not go on like this. Few minutes later, my friend came over and he asked, "How do I get rid of social media?" I told him that social media isn't the problem. We should be the ones controlling it. He told me, "So you're saying we should throw our electronics away?" I think I might have a plan. So, both of us started taking small steps. We decided to turn off some notifications, started playing outside and talking to friends face to face. At first, it wasn't easy. I felt like I was a bird who was used to sitting in a cage. But later, I broke free, felt lighter, happier, and even more focused. Through this journey, I learned an important lesson. Social media itself isn't the enemy. It all depends on how we control it. If we use it wisely, It can be a powerful tool. But if we let it take over, it can be a trap. So my dear friends, social media has both good sides and bad sides. But we must be the ones in control, not our phones.